And now from lovely Three Forks, Montana, Todd the Vinyl Junkie, with a face for radio and a voice for silent movies. Now your host, the Vinyl Junkie himself, Todd.
Well, hello everybody, and welcome to Todd the Vinyl Junkie YouTube channel. Tonight we're going to feature the Weiss DAC 204. For those of you who are not familiar with Weiss Engineering, here's a little background on this excellent manufacturer. Weiss Engineering is headed by digital guru Daniel Weiss and his fine engineering crew. The Swiss company has been making some of the best digital pro products since 1985, not 1885, there was no digital, silly me, and audiophile consumer products since 2000. Daniel Weiss began his journey into digital processing by working for 5 years at Studer, starting back in 1979. He worked on the design of a sampling frequency converter and the digital signal processing electronics for the Studer Dash digital audio recorders. The evolution of music from analog to digital and the introduction of the CD inspired Daniel to form Weiss Engineering in Switzerland. Today, Weiss is recognized as the leading company when it comes to signal processing for mastering, and Daniel is a pioneer in the industry. Quite likely, many of your CDs have been mastered using Weiss equipment. Weiss gear is used in recording studios around the world and are well known in the pro audio world for their excellence in sound as well as their reliability. And in 2021, Daniel was rewarded for his contribution to the development of digital audio with a Technical Grammy Award by the recording industry. When you buy any piece of gear made by Weiss, you are getting premium parts chosen for their quality and reliability as well as their sonic characteristics. The engineering and design of the products keeps the parts from being stressed to their limits, allowing them to perform at their prime level for many years. So let's take a look at the DAC 204 on our sit and spin and check out what it is all about. The DAC 204 follows in the footsteps of all Weiss products and is an excellent DAC and highly reliable. The DAC 204 comes in a small form factor for use just about anywhere. The sound characteristics of the DAC 204 are, well, just what you would expect: precise, accurate, and musical. The DAC 204 doesn't add color, nor does it run cover for any imperfection in a recording. It delivers just what the disc or file was created to sound like. A beautiful recording will sound beautiful, and a flawed recording will have no place to hide its ugly deficiencies. The supplied switching power supply is very good, but I think with a very high quality 6 to 9 volt supply, even better results may be possible. There is also the Weiss PSU 102 upgrade power supply available to take the DAC 204 as far as it can go. Some of the features provided by the DAC 204 include 2 AES EBU inputs via RCA and optical toslink. Sampling frequencies supported through these inputs are 44.1, 48, 88.2, 96, 176.4, or 192 kilohertz. There is also a USB input which supports 44.1, 48, 88.2, 96, 176.4, 192, 352.8, and 384 kilohertz, as well as DSD64 and DSD128. Sampling frequencies via USB of 352.8 and 384 are downsampled to half their value at 176.4 and 192, 44.1 and 192 kilohertz frequencies are passed as is. DSD64 and DSD124 signals are converted to PCM at the settings chosen on the front panel. Analog outs available are single-ended RCA outputs and balanced XLR outputs. The balanced outputs provide an additional 6 dB of gain over the RCA outputs. To accommodate almost any situation with connecting the DAC 204, a pair of attenuation switches on the rear panel provide 4 output levels at 10 dB increments. This is not a common feature on most DACs. Balanced XLR outputs double the output of the RCA outputs and allows for selecting 7.5 volts RMS, 2.3 volts RMS, 0.75 volts RMS, 0.75 volts RMS, and 0.23 volts RMS, with the RCA selections being 3.7 volts RMS, 1.15 volts RMS, 0.375 volts RMS, and 0.115 volts RMS. These analog gain structures allow for the DAC 204 to be used with just about any preamp or passive preamp. You get the best results with those preamps that may not support higher input levels or those that perform better with a higher input level. The options are there for you to optimize your playback level. One of the amazing features is the jitter suppression provided in the DAC 204. Using several signal reclocking schemes that combine to deliver high jitter attenuation give you the best sound the DAC can provide. Weiss jitter suppression is widely considered one of the best implementations in the industry. The jitter suppression gets the most out of your digital sources, particularly those with high jitter. Components connected to the DAC 204, such as CD transports or streamers, benefit greatly from the Weiss jitter suppression. The 4 converters used in each audio channel are oversampling Sigma Delta D to A converters. In addition, the DAC 204 provides digital outputs, XLR, RCA, and BNC, which allows you to use it as a digital format converter. It can be used in conjunction with legacy DACs, DACs without USB input, and DSD support. Weiss is widely known for their excellent state-of-the-art output stages. So from input to output, you are getting premium design and electronic components that add up to another great DAC from Weiss for audiophiles. The DAC 204 isn't going to win any beauty awards, but then again, neither am I. Like me, it is well built and highly functional. This is the finest DAC at this price point that we have heard. It lacks some of the features of its big brothers, the 501 and 502, but it does not lack in its ability to offer up great sound. I give the DAC 204 a big thumbs up. Well, we'll give 2 because I got 2 thumbs. And recommend it for anyone searching for natural, realistic reproduction and accuracy from their DAC. You can contact me, Todd, at ttvjaudio.com, or call us at 406-285-3910 with questions to order this fine DAC from us. And we have it in stock.
Don't forget to visit the TTVJ Audio website and sign up for our newsletter. Keep up to date with new products, sales, and loaner programs. Thanks for watching.